Have you ever taken a close look at a snowflake on a window or before one's melted on your mitten? If so, you may have noticed that each one is distinct and interestingly shaped. Snowflakes are what are known as fractals, complex geometric shapes with repeating patterns and self-symmetry. Other examples of fractals in nature include trees, rivers, and flowers. Most snowflakes have 6 points or 6 sides, and, like our own fingerprints, each one has a unique pattern. Now that we've learned a bit about snowflakes, let's make some of our own. These stamps are super easy to assemble, and, just like real snowflakes, each one can be unique. Once you learn how to make one, they are easy to customize so that everyone in the family has their own personal snowflake.
The materials for this craft are 1. Pipe cleaners, 2. Scissors, 3. Acrylic paint, 4. A paper plate for the paint, and 5. Some paper, poster, board, or any other surface you want to decorate.
Now, let's get started. To make a snowflake stamp, cut one 12-inch pipe cleaner into 3 pieces of equal size. Hold the pieces together and tightly wrap a new pipe cleaner around the middle of the bundle. To secure it, twist the pipe cleaner's ends together at the base, then bend it in half to form a handle-like shape. Spread out the 3 pipe cleaners to form a 6-sided snowflake shape. You now have a stamp. To decorate your surface, pour different colors of paint onto paper plates and dip your stamps in until they are covered. Then press the stamp onto the surface and repeat as much as you like. Before you know it, you will have created a beautiful snowy scene. These stamps are versatile and can be dipped into many different materials and used on many different surfaces. You can also cut the pipe cleaners into different lengths to change the size or shape. Try dipping them into glue, then sprinkling glitter over the stamped surface. Or use fabric paint on a t-shirt to wear to your next holiday party.
Please visit Britannica Kids on the web or contact us on Facebook or Twitter to show your wintry masterpiece. Stay curious!